Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X30 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on date and time, which is on the third position. And as you can see here, we've got some options connected, of course, with the date and time, and some of them are not active. It is because we are using the time and the time zone, which is set automatically. It is network provided, I believe. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options. And now we can freely tap on date, and from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use. So for example this one, tap on OK and it will be immediately set. The same situation with the time, just from the clock pick the time you want to use and confirm it. And as you can see, it will be also immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, pick the region, and as you can see, you will be transferred to all different regions from which you can choose. So just find the one you'd like to set and tap on it, and let me pick this one just randomly. And as you can see, it has been immediately set, and be aware that the time will also change according to the time zone, so that's quite normal, but be aware about that. And here we've got the time format. Of course you can customize it. You can use local default, or you can kind of manually decide which one you'd like to use. Right now we are using 24-hour format. Of course, in order to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be again immediately set. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time. Oh my god, the date and time in your Nokia X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.